Let's go ahead and cook this frozen stone-baked thin margherita cheese pizza. A 10-inch pizza just about fits in the 7.6 litre air fryer. Now I'm going to set this on 190 degrees Celsius on 12 minutes. I don't want to cook it on the highest heat as I want it to slowly bake. I could have set the time for 10 minutes as it's a thin base pizza, depending on how cooked and crispy you want. But let's see how this turns out. I'll turn the turn reminder off as obviously we are not going to turn over the food. Let's go and preheat. Always have the pizza on the crisper tray or the steel rack so that the air can circulate and cook the bottom base too. A window on your air fryer always comes in handy, guys, as you can keep an eye on your food. So far, looking good. Check that out, guys, fully cooked and ready to eat. Next time I will try this on a normal or a thick base pizza. So in the end, how much did it cost me on the electric bill? A 1700 watt air fryer ran for 12 minutes without the preheat time involved. Comes to 8 pence. Eat well, guys. Peace.